Hey guys, Low Pitch Fanatic here with the box of Topps Chrome 2010 Baseball. This is one of the few boxes that I got from the show, the Sports Card Expo Fall, which I actually didn't break at the expo. I decided to break it here at home. So I'm going to break it in front of all of you guys and let's see how we do. Could there be a Straz or a Hayward rookie auto lying in wait? We shall see. It just so happens that Mr. Timmy Lincecum is on the cover of this box. The 2010 World Series champs. Alright. Let's see what we get. I gotta remember to save the wrappers. The wrappers are good for a redemption, I believe. So, anyways, I'll just pan through these real quickly. Anything of interest, I will call out. I believe you're supposed to get two rookie autos per box. Oh, I got one of these parallels. It's a Hunter Pence National Chickle parallel. It is numbered of 999. So I did get a parallel there. Let's see what we got here. Oh, sweet. A Lincecum refractor for my Lincecum PC, which is really cool. There you go. Refractor of Timmy Lincecum. Sweet. It goes straight into the PC. I got a blue. See who the blue is. Is of Dustin Pedroia. And that's numbered out of 199. Okay, one stack down, 3 stacks to go. Oh, Austin Jackson rookie right there. Cool. Oh, here's my first rookie auto. It's Alex Burnett of the Twins. So there we go. Alex Burnett for the Minnesota Twins. And that is not numbered. On to stack number 3. I got a refractor here. Let's see who it is. Adrian Gonzalez. And the other card was Ryan Howard. Another checklist. We got a Topps 206 Carl Crawford parallel. That's numbered out of 999. Right there. Oh, we got another refractor in this pack. Hanley Ramirez. Oops. Actually, there's a couple of refractors here. A Luke Hochevar refractor. And then we got a Javier Vasquez refractor. 2 refractors in one pack. A John Link rookie. Huh. I saw the Senator and I was like, or not Senator, sorry, Washington Nationals player, and I thought, oh, it's Straz, but no, it's the other dude, Drew Storen, which is still pretty good. Oh, Starlin Castro, sweet. Alright, down to the last stack. No Strasburg base rookie yet, either. Let's see what we got. A blue refractor. It's an auto. Josh Donaldson for the Oakland A's, and that is numbered out of 199. So there's my 2 autos. Oh well, it doesn't look like I hit the Straz or the Hayward, but that's okay. Let's see. Well, speaking of Hayward, I ended up getting a Hayward base rookie, so that's still pretty cool. That's right there. And then Joe Saunders refractor and a Jason Worth. We got a Castro and a Hayward so far. Base rookie. I don't know what is this stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's hard sort of with the glare, but this is like this weird. I don't know what that is. Almost like a red eraser bits on this card. Just I don't know. I'm gonna put that aside because I don't know what that is. Sticking and it's stuck to the front of this Alexi Ramirez as well. Just kind of gross. Anyways, then we got another. What's this? It's a Topps Heritage parallel, numbered 1961 for Jose Reyes. For Halliday. All right, down the last pack. And that's it. So, wow, no Strasburg base, but I did get a Hayward base and a Castro base rookie. And then my 2 auto hits. I also did a Lincecum refractor for my Lindsay PC, but where's my 2 autos here? So I had got an Alex Burnett for the Twins rookie auto, and a Josh Donaldson rookie auto for the Oakland A's, the blue refractor out of 199. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.